Welcome back. This is PCB note number 9. This is part 2 of our exploring of solder mask, an important part of PCB material composition. So let's get started. Solder mask is a critical component added after the copper traces has been etched into the PCB. The material used for solder mask can be either liquid or dry film. When dealing with liquid solder mask, it either be sprayed or screen printed onto the PCB. On the other hand, dry film solder mask is applied by eliminating it into the PCB using heat and pressure. Finally, we can say solder mask is more than just a protective layer. It is an indispensable part of PCB design and fabrication process. It guards against environment and electrical harm while amplifying both functionality and reliability. Thanks for watching. For more information on PCB and electronics, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more exciting content.